Buffalo link. Just notice feature here for the bonus. It just says it'll pop at 1800. So we're at 1174. That means we're a little less than 1700 buffaloes left to get a free feature. Pop it even sooner, but yeah. Check out the games. It'll vary depending on which denomination you have, so you can check the different denominations and get a possible player advantage. So yeah, that's Lightning Buffalo link. Okay, I got the 3 coins again. See if they'll be lucky this time. Come on. Oh, there you go. 2 times. Okay, we got the random free feature buffaloes. Should have hit 18. Did you get to 1800?
About 16 something.
It's only.
About 16 something.
Okay. So it just gave you free games?
Yeah. It's not worth it. It's not worth
Yeah.
it.
Buffalo Ascension took
But
my
it's
money.
good, we went up.
Yeah. I was trying to chase Buffalo Ascension and it didn't even give that much for
It
the.
has a bonus within the bonus. It's okay. That's why I don't play.
Super here. 190,000. Oh. 8 of them. 8 buffalo. 8 of the whole buffalo on the same game. Nice. Come on. Let's get this. Down there. Last one. 190,000. Come on. Oh! You got it. Maybe you'll get the super grand. Oh, if you get the whole thing, you'll get the 190,000. Let's do it. It's all for this. Come on.